Welcome back to part 3 of the all-girls off-road adventure in Colombia. I'm Vanessa Rock, the girl on a bike, and in this video we're going to start in the Tacoma Desert where it is hot and dry and continue our exploration of Colombia. There's a terrifying river crossing in a cage. We have quite a few roadside nightmares. They seem to strike over and over again. We're even going to encounter a bull and all of his ladies before finishing up in Medellin. It's one I hope you enjoy. We're keying up right now. The disco has started. This guy, his speaker's nearly the size of his KTM. No one's dancing, you're gonna dance. No. Oh,
So
yeah.
we're gonna start by heading out to the Red Rocks, take some photos. There's a stunning mini canyon there. It's all red rocks, and then we head out back a little bit towards the road we came in, and then there's gonna be that little ferry thing. I call it ferry. It's really wooden planks kind of strung together that gets us across. And then we'll try to make it to our spa resort hotel and have some rest. Sounds good? So.
Enjoy your trip! Whoa. Yeehaw! Welcome to the desert! I'm guessing we want to face up top. Yeah. Tatacoa Desert! Okay, definitely a place on the hit list in Colombia is the Tatacoa Desert. Now this is a pocket-sized desert. It's probably only like 20 square miles or something like that. And the reality is, it makes no sense that it's here. There's a huge river locally. This is kind of a wetlands area, but somehow the landscape has made this a barren desert. They keep finding like dinosaur remains and all kind of cool stuff. And it's pretty unique. Spectacular to see. Red, aggressive. And when you think about the rainforest, the jungles, the moisture across the rest of Colombia, this is mad. See you later! Wow, suddenly no cactus, looking back into plantain, bananas, jungle, like that, boom. Colombia, you are unreal. Okay, this sign basically says the road is closed and no traffic can go through. Fist bump again. Yeah. Oh, this is it here. Oh, wow. There's the bridge. Okay, we've made it to the bridge. Well, there is no bridge. So this is how we're going to get the bikes over the river. It's going to take us a while. There's someone coming back over there, you can kind of see in the distance. It's going to be fun. So I just bought some mixed crisps. Why don't they do this in England? It's a mixed flavour and a mixed type all in one bag. You don't have to choose. It's genius. Genius, I tell you. So we're going to sit in the shade and wait our turn to hopefully not die. Going over there. What could go wrong? Should I be concerned that that's parked up next to the wire stringy cage thing that's going to take us over the river? I'm trying to get you a view of the bridge that's broken. It's a bit difficult because it's kind of jungly, but you can see over there, it's quite a big bridge. There somewhere. That's the one that is broken. Cerrado means closed. What could go wrong other than like we fall hundreds of feet to our death in a cage with a motorbike? I mean, other than that, I mean, what could go wrong? Bob's going first. He's going to be the guinea pig, the highest load rating we have. So if Bob makes it, we'll surely be fine. It's a good job we've got mini ADV bikes. That looks quite tight. Oh wow, are you even going to be able to close the door? How do you get Bob in a cage? Make him cross the river. See you later! If you don't make it to the other side, we don't even know where we're going.
If you're in there, don't touch that.
Oh!
That's, yeah.
That's the cable it runs on. Okay. Ladies! Woo, 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 woo. Hi, daughter! Welcome to the cage. So this is how you cross the river. But the bit that's the most exciting is what's here, and this is what is the engine of running it. Basically, they've got a bike sat here. The cable is attached to the cage. Start it up, pop it in gear, and whop, you're gonna go across the river. Love it. Got a girl on a bike sticker.
On the lift operators that way.
Here we go. Yay! Gracias. So 3 of us have made it to the other side. It's all over my bike, my kit, the oil. Yeah, my red coat's covered. The oil off the cable. So just for the clarification, Colombia is not a country which is like massively using bridges and stuff like this. There is a normal bridge, but there's been earthquakes and landslides recently, so they're trying to keep traffic moving for motorbikes and foot passengers. It's not that out there mentalness. There are normal bridges in Colombia too. But that was a lot of fun. The adventure continues. We have a flat tyre. Thankfully, we've got a little compressor that hooks up to the battery. And we're giving it some air. These are going up. Christmas restaurant. It kind of feels like we're in their front row. There's some other people in here too. But the yummiest chicken soup going, and just love the food you get when you travel. Tasty. Fuel to ride the bike. Yeah. If you put it on its side, 90, it will be flat. So tip it over.
He wants it like this.
You want it that pointy bit up? My trusted speed. This is how the tyre should look. And over here, we have Mum's bike, who's been a hooligan.
Still tight.
Look at these, Mum! So cool! We've literally just walked across the road from where the tyre is. They're like the size, bigger than my head. Look at the size of them! Just to put it in context, look at my foot. No, they're some kind of marrow. But they're huge and there's loads of them.
Some kind of melon, I think.
No, mango. Not mango. Marrow.
The gourd?
The adventurers will not be defeated by a puncture. The puncture is no more. We still have some more lives because we have another whole tube and some patches. And the adventurers will continue.
Yeah.
Let's saddle up, ponies. This is my carnage of an Vanessa explosion. Gonna get back riding. have found ourselves in the wilderness again with a flat tyre. Mom! Thankfully, Bob has food, so Vanessa won't get hungry and kill anyone. So while Bob is working away over there, we have basically entertained ourselves by chasing cows around a field. Here they are. There is a massive bull on the far right. Yeah, he's the one that's staring at us with his balls out. They weren't all here just now, they were over there. Mysteriously, they have moved. Look at the cows and the great view while we watch Bob fix a tyre. We were helping, and then I think it was just more exciting chasing cows. Arriving in the dark through town, we made it to a really beautiful hotel and we're rocking up like this. This place looks really nice. There's a pool out there. Check-in, shower is priority number one. I've just woken up on our day off day. Oh, it is. It's raining. It's absolutely chucking it down. I can hear the rain from in bed. See if I can get the door open. I cannot get the door open. There we go. Okay, door's open. It is raining. I am glad we're not on the bike today because we'd be very soggy humans. So, Mum and I have gone for a walk in town. It is really hustling and bustling. We're hiding by the wall just to make sure that my phone is safe. I'm not saying it's dangerous here, but it's so easy to swipe a phone. I'm not really going to get much footage, but I don't know, you can kind of tell surrounding me. There's loads of hustle and bustle and loads of shops, loads of stuff. Probably, yeah, I don't really know what to say. We're seeing some sights. It's our off day. We're going to head back and find some lunch now. But I'm not going to get much footage around here just because of safety reasons with phones and devices.
And then wrap it and put it in the sun.
Oh, the poolside. We bought a load of local fruit. And the hotel guy is showing us how to open them. It's one of the amazing things about travelling. Trying new things. But this is the pool. I am officially the trolley bee. Somehow I managed to get the cart for all of us. Well, okay, this isn't all of us. Oh, I'm a bit all over the place. We are on our second penultimate day of riding here in Colombia. It is very muggy and humid and stuffy today. I think the bugs are going to be bad. I'm waiting for the elevator. I'm being impatient. If you press it more, the lift comes quicker, honest. What have we got? We've got 300 kilometers today, bit of twisty roads. We're going up into the mountains. We're going to get into the lift. It should be a good day. We're going to be riding as one group today. So that implies that the terrain is going to be nice and manageable for the whole group, all riding abilities, which is a nice thing. It's always fun when you're all in a group and you can mess around and play. We've obviously got to get out of the town that we're in right now, so traffic's going to be fun. The kit's all here. All going good. Gotta get that loaded onto the bikes, and then we'll have a morning briefing with Egla and Yoga, and then we'll be off. Boom! Bingo! Colombian service stations. So cool. Just so cool. Girls are investigating the ice cream. Okay. So, super low sugar coffee iced lolly. I like Colombian service stations. Okay. We've all pulled up for lunch, and it is a pretty incredible location. Big Lot Rise did a great job of finding these spots. Look at that view. Made it to the hotel. Bit of a marathon day today. I think we did like 2.5 hours of motorway, so not the best route planning, but we're all here in one piece. Beautiful scenery and an amazing sunset right now, so cannot complain. Sore bum though.
Yeah, it's good.
Final day here riding in Colombia. I've just loaded up the bike for the last and final time. I've also just done a little bit of a video review of this kit. So if you're wondering what I think of it, stay tuned for my YouTube channel. It's going to take me a couple of weeks to get it out there because I'm not that fast on editing. But check it out and it will be there. And let me know if you've got any questions. Woo, final day in Colombia. Stopped at another one of the epic Colombian service station things. They're so cool. We've been in really bad traffic on the most beautiful roads. So we've been playing that game where you have to go from A to Z in the alphabet and find a word starting with each letter as you ride along. It's been a lot of fun. But yeah, having a break and then we will continue on. It's the final day, so we're basically heading back to Medellin today, and then we'll hand over the bikes and have a final dinner. still battling traffic, but we've stopped for lunch and I have to show you where we are. What? Oh, look at the bird buzzing around. It has come to the end of the Colombian Adventure. It has been, I think, 10 days of awesome fun with an amazing group of girls. We flew out here, hired the bikes, adventured all around different areas of Colombia, making sure that we're keeping to the safe places. Now, if it looks like something that you're interested in doing, get on Google. There's loads of options for trips like this all over the place. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. I'm going to go get myself a shower and then I'm going to be flying home to the UK. I'm Vanessa Ruck, the girl on a bike. Hope you've enjoyed this video and make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications of future videos. I'm actually going to stand and look at this view for a moment. Colombia is incredible.